First, connect the protective gas. Cable connection to wire feeder. Connect the power cord. Connect according to the corresponding lines. Open the cabinet door. Fill the water tank with purified or distilled water until the green area of the water level table. Then start the air switch. Turn on the start key. Turn on the laser enable. After adjusting the parameters, you can start welding. Before switching to cutting mode, you need to prepare a nozzle specifically for cutting. Remove the welding nozzle. Installing the cutting nozzle. In the process settings, set the scan width to 0 and confirm. Adjust the cutting power appropriately. Adjust the gas pressure to 0.5 MPa. Make sure the red light is in the center of the nozzle. Clamp the laser head with a ground clamp. Then you can start cutting. You need to prepare these before switching to cleaning mode. First, take out the accessories. Then remove the graduated tube. Remove the fixing screws at the same time. Use the hexagonal wrench to remove the clamp. Use a screwdriver to loosen the lens clamp. Remove the original focusing lens. Install the F800 cleaning focusing lens. Laser head part completed. Then change the operation interface to cleaning mode. Restart the machine. Go to the settings page. Select the corresponding focusing lens specifications. Adjust the chiller alarm level to low. Adjust the appropriate cleaning parameters and start cleaning.